Welcome to How to Draw Friday. Today we're going to draw the crab. Okay, today we're going to draw a very easy crab. Get the letter C, stretch it out and put it on its side. So you've got a C laying face down like that. It's a stretched out C. Next we're going to put in, that's the top of the carapace, we're going to put in probably some skinny letter U's, really long, skinny, and the other way too, just on an angle like that. Now, little letter O on top of each one of those, like little ice cream cones. So far easy. Going to do almost like a J laying on its side there, and the opposite here. Okay, I'm going to try and make this very easy. A bit of a bracket there, and a line going through there. Next, I'm going to have to put in some big pinches here, so I'm going to have a really big sort of curvy bracket there and there. Makes like a skinny V, and then like a half circle there. That's the top part of the pincher, the claw. Now another bracket here, and another really big one going into another half circle, or like a letter U almost there. So here we go. That's sort of like a fat letter U, and here's a bracket going to there. That's a claw. And the other side, same thing, a couple of skinny brackets joining together and half circle there, or a fat letter U, bracket there, big round bit there, going into a bracket, going to there. There's the other pincher. So you can see it's coming on quite good. It doesn't have to be perfect. And just a few brackets here, give a bit of texture to that there. Now here comes the tricky bit. I'm going to stick in a few legs here. So going with a line and a bracket. So we're going to go again with a straight line and a bracket. Straight line, bracket that way, and then maybe a bracket that way. Make a sharp claw so they can grip onto the rocks. And we keep doing this because crabs have those really sharp, almost spider-like spikes at the end of each foot, because they have to scurry around and do a lot of rock climbing. Here I'm doing a little rounded bit there, and then two lines down and two lines that way. You can see the back one's rounded. So same here, straight, bracket, another straight bit, another bracket, another straight bit, and a bracket to make a sharp point. And go again. So this is fairly easy, I believe. Now here, rounded there like a skinny letter U, two lines going down and a couple of brackets there. Now I pull out my marker pen and I shall mark out, basically go over all the lines I've just done. Now here, the letter C, with a little letter C inside. Colour that in, that's the shiny eye. And the same here. Letter C with a little C inside. Colour that in. Like black shiny eyes. Next we're going to do some shading. So, what should I do here? Little tiny dashes getting slightly bigger. I'm going to show a few of my little shading tricks here. Here I'm going to shade in a little bit more on the left hand side. So it's almost black. They're lines very close together and then sort of spreading out a little bit. I'm actually doing this with just a CD marker, and you notice that these lines here around the eyes are actually curved to make it sort of fit the shape. Now watch here, I'm doing some dots. So I do a few dots, then I do some dashes. Now I'm doing the curved stripes to give that shape. Same under here. Curved stripes, starting off with dots, going to little dashes, going to curved brackets really, to show the shape of this animal. And a little squiggly line, a couple of dots. Squiggly lines, a couple of dots. I don't know why I do this. I think one of my things that I just like to do. This is cross-hatching. I don't use cross-hatching very much. I use it as little as possible. I'm putting more and more shade on, but I am being careful to leave white bits. Very important that you don't go overboard, which I'm pretty much on the borderline of going overboard. The shade underneath, I've actually done a series of brackets and little bits of circle just to give it like a sandy texture. So dots and brackets and circles. And you can see on the left hand side I've shaded it in a little bit more. And there's your crab. I hope you guys have enjoyed the how to draw crabs. Now if you like this, you might want to check out some of my other how to draw videos. Some of them are a bit more complicated, some are a bit more easy. Check them out. I'll see you next time.